Fauquier County Public Schools, we are committed to helping students build meaningful futures right here in our community. If your high schooler enjoys working with children, cares about making a difference, or is curious about a career in education, the Future Educators Academy offers a unique and supportive path forward.
Since I was little, I've really loved kids and I've loved helping, and I've always known that I wanted to be helpful in some way. I wanted to give back, and teaching has always just been lingering in my mind.
Men is plural and man is singular.
The Future Educators Academy, it's been the best thing in my life. It's been the most brag-worthy moment in my life, because I'm able to do so much in the field of teaching. I'm able to experience so much and meet so many great people through this program.
Live, it's a verb.
My favorite experience has probably been the practicums in the class, just meeting all these students and kind of just bonding with them. They've all been really sweet, and especially my practicum teacher, Miss Kosar. She's been very helpful and just really a good role model for me.
What do you notice about this salmon?
My teachers have always been very guiding for me, so the prospect of being a teacher sounded nice, especially with such a convenient program. And your binder and a marker.
The Fauquier Educators Academy program is really important to us in Fauquier County Public Schools because it opens doors for students. It creates a pathway to a career in teaching. Investing in our own kids gives our kids an opportunity certainly to be connected to the division beyond the time that they've had with us as a student. And so we get an opportunity to hire teachers who come through our system, former students of ours, to engage in a profession that, in my opinion, is still the best profession on the face of the planet. It's the most noble work that you can do. And we hope that there are lots of students who are interested in becoming teachers, and certainly who are interested in becoming teachers in Fauquier County Public Schools.
Students can earn an associate's degree while still in high school, gain hands-on classroom experience through guided practicum opportunities, graduate with a clear pathway to employment in education, and complete the program at no cost while in high school. The Future Educators Academy gives students a strong foundation, meaningful experience, and a clear look at what a future in education can be. We are preparing tomorrow's teachers starting today.